In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your very own Shopify store using their promotional offer, which is a fantastic way to get started. So let's dive right in and ensure you have all the information you need to quickly and efficiently get your Shopify store up and running. First, head on over to Shopify's promotional page. This page is where you'll kick off your journey by clicking Start for Free. It's right there, designed to be as straightforward as possible, making it easy for you to begin without any hassle. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your email. Alternatively, if you prefer a quicker sign-in method, you can log in using your Google, Apple, or Facebook account. This flexibility ensures you can get started in a way that feels most comfortable and convenient for you. Now, you'll move into a simple registration process. Here, you'll create a password that will keep your account secure, and you'll also name your store. It's an exciting moment because this is where you breathe life into your vision. Consider your store name carefully, as it's one of the first impressions you make on your potential customers. Once you've set everything up, Shopify will automatically redirect you to your brand new Shopify admin dashboard. This dashboard is your control center, and it's designed to be user-friendly, so you can navigate through all the functionalities with ease. In the bottom right corner of your dashboard, you'll see an option that says, Select a plan. Give that a click, and you'll be presented with 3 plans: Basic, Grow, or Advance. Excitingly, Shopify's current promotion offers each of these plans at just $1 for 3 months. This is an incredible deal, allowing you to explore and utilize the platform without making a large financial commitment upfront. Choose the plan that aligns best with your business needs. Think about the features and support you might need as your store grows. Once you've made your selection, you'll need to add a payment method. Shopify supports a variety of payment forms, so pick what's convenient for you. After entering your payment details, go ahead and click subscribe. And there you have it. You've now set up your Shopify store with this promotional offer. You're ready to begin customizing your storefront, adding products, and reaching out to your future customers. Take this opportunity to explore all the features Shopify has to offer, from designing your storefront to managing orders and everything in between. With that, you're all set to embark on your entrepreneurial journey with Shopify. Congratulations on taking this exciting step, and best of luck with your new online store.